What is the statute of limitations defense for breach of fiduciary duty claims? Have you ever wondered how long you have to file a claim if you believe a fiduciary has let you down? The statute of limitations defense for breach of fiduciary duty claims is key to understanding this. This defense sets a deadline for when you can bring a lawsuit against someone like a trustee, executor, or even a spouse for failing to fulfill their legal responsibilities. If you miss this deadline, the person you are suing can use the statute of limitations to have your claim dismissed. In the world of elder law and estate planning, these time limits can vary based on where you live and the specifics of your case. Many places have a 4-year statute of limitations for breach of fiduciary duty claims tied to trusts and estates. For instance, in California, you have 4 years from the moment you discover the breach to file your claim against a fiduciary. This 4-year clock starts ticking when you either find out about the breach or when you reasonably should have discovered it. When it comes to claims involving spouses, the rules can be different. In California, the Family Code states that there is a 3-year statute of limitations for breaches of fiduciary duty between spouses. This time frame begins when the spouse learns about the harmful transaction. It is important to note that claims made during the marriage have different rules than those made at the time of divorce or after a spouse's death. If you are claiming a breach involving separate property, you typically have 4 years to file, and this is strictly enforced. Some jurisdictions apply a discovery rule, which can delay the statute of limitations until you discover the breach. However, not all places follow this rule. For example, in Virginia, the statute of limitations starts from the date of the breach itself, regardless of when you find out about it. There can be exceptions if the fiduciary actively hid the breach, making it harder for you to file your suit. Understanding these time limits is essential in estate planning and elder law. When dealing with fiduciaries like trustees or executors, knowing when the breach occurred or should have been discovered is vital. This knowledge can help you take timely legal action to protect your rights. If you believe a fiduciary has failed in their duties, be sure to consult with a legal professional to navigate these important deadlines.